The mission today is nothing specific. I'm going to start picking parts out of here and cleaning and detailing and stuff like that. This axle is really bugging me, this front axle. I'm going to clean up that hammered on threaded end there. That's enough for today. Those are all clean parts. Some require paint. That thing needs a rebuild. Those need to be cleaned. Plenty of stuff here that needs to be cleaned. And a few parts left in here to clean. The past couple days I've just been kind of cleaning parts. That thing cleaned up pretty good, but it's far from perfect. I'm having a hard time breaking these rotor bolts free. So I was able to get some COWL on the back side of the threads, and I have them soaking on the front here. And lo and behold, after working my way around these things, just hitting them a little bit, this one just broke free. Come on. That one's coming free. Nice. One more. There it goes. I just put some more COWL in there. I think I'm going to actually go forward and then back again. Last one. Got it. That's always a scary proposition, isn't it? Because if you strip one of those out, it becomes a nice little project. Whatever I put in here will bake out when they powder coat these wheels, assuming I'm going to have them powder coated. Alright, so we're recording and we're over at Julian's house. Say hi, frame maker.
Hey, frame maker.
And I brought something over here that's, I said it was a nightmare for him, but he said maybe it's just a bad dream. Because
not even a bad dream.
Not a bad dream.
An adventure dream.
It's an adventure.
Yeah, everything's an adventure.
So the mission was to retrofit onto the red frame all of this business here, to make this thing a little upgraded, sportier, but it's been modified by someone else in a much different way. Julian's gonna percolate on this a little bit and see if he can get these frame modifications on this frame for this setup. We'll see. It's not easy. I am gonna just wipe this thing down. I don't think it's gonna clean up very well. It's got a lot of ugly stuff. I keep telling myself I'm gonna make this bike into a rider and not spend so much time making it showy like I do with some of the other stuff. So it's possible this wheel wouldn't get refinished, but I don't know if I'm going to be able to live with the result. Let's find out. This is just a first pass with WD-40. And a lot of this stuff is cleaning off, but I think it's going to take something a whole lot stronger to clean some of it off. And it really is one very ugly white wheel. My next level cleaning solution was this, and it's actually taking a lot of the stains and this kind of off-white color. It's removing that and turning it white again, but it's really dulling. It's not a shiny gloss white. I don't know if it'll show up. It's kind of a dulled white. This is the other side. And you can see it's cleaning up. Looks like there's a deeper stain here. But is it enough to keep it without powder coating or repaint? I think it's going to need powder coat or repaint. See this stuff here? I don't know what it is, but it will come off with some elbow grease. I think I'm just spinning my wheels here. Get it? I put a coat of wax on this wheel. It looks much better. Some of the shine came back, but I'll tell you, since I'm going to have to replace wheel bearings, these wheels will probably go out for powder coat. I've never been a big fan of white wheels on motorcycles. No offense to white-wheeled motorcycle folks out there, especially on a two-stroke. This is the rear wheel. It'll get dirty. I just got off the phone with Julian, and he's going to do some rather extensive mods to my frame and another frame of his. So I got to get this shock absorber out of here and get this swing arm over to him.